Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Olá a todos, bem-vindos ao meu canal. Traveling. Eu tô aqui em Belgrave. This is Belgrave town. It's a small town. I think there is nothing here. Train station here. Oh, actually, I just came down from the Dodanan Mount. Dodanan. I forgot that. It was so foggy, I couldn't see anything. Okay, I got to take this train. What is the train? Oh, okay. Can just departed. And I decided to walk around here. Wait for the next train. Maybe 1 hour from now. Now it's 11:49. Agora são 11:49. Eu tô aqui numa cidadezinha chamada Belgrave. Cidade pequena. Aqui, olha só, o preço das coisas não são baratas. Tem muita gente tatuada. E você tem tudo que é tatu, desde aqueles tatu discreto e aqueles tatu que, os caras cobrem o corpo inteiro, a perna toda, o braço todo, o pescoço, sei lá, o tronco, as costas. É exagerado. Que a maioria das pessoas que fazem esses tatu maluco aí, depois de alguns anos, a grande maioria se arrepende. Talvez eu coma um cheeseburger. Eu acabei de ver o preço e eu consigo perder a fome, incrível. $27 australianos, isso dá quase $18 americanos para um hambúrguer. Ó, tem comida vietnamita. Ah, mas tá fechado. Bubble tea. Tá aberto. Bubble tea é coisa de Taiwan, mas eu não faço questão. O que mais temos aqui? Não vou nem ver o preço. Here it's so expensive. It's a hamburger for like $17 US. Or here it's cheaper. Burger and beer $12 US. americanas. It's so expensive here. So there are many immigrant people here. Here in Melbourne, you can't see Aboriginal people. You see a lot of the Australians, let's say white people, blonde people, or that I suppose they are Australians, but they can also be from Europe, like I met Sweden, French people, German people, all blonde, so it's hard to say who is Australian, who is not. Most of the people, a lot of people here, they are immigrants. Like a first generation of immigrants. Cara, flake chips and salad. This is like 15.50. Too expensive, but something so simple. No way. No way. Too expensive. Gate. Let's see. It's expensive. Everything is expensive. 10? 15? Not too expensive. But it's vegetarian. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Não se esqueça de se inscrever e deixar o like. Obrigado. 请订阅和按赞。チャンネル登録といいねお願いします。Suscríbete y dale me gusta, porfa. Iscríbete y lasciami piace, per favore.